My name is Nikhil Tripathi. I work with Procter & Gamble as a purchasing director. I've been with the company for 16 years. I'm currently in Cincinnati, US, and I'm very happy to be in front of you to share my experiences with the Grow More Revenues team for the Grow Coach program I signed up for. So I've been with the company for 16 years, and in this period, I enjoyed interacting with people, coaching them, and bringing out their best, which led me to thoughts on how I can get even better and how I can further improve this area of mine. And one thing led to another, and I found Grow Coach as a possible avenue. And I joined up thanks to Inder and team, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the experience I've had with them. The classes are extremely well organized, especially during the COVID time. Inder is a master coach and a master trainer himself, and a massive benefit comes by interacting with colleagues from all across the world, from different spheres of life, where we can share experiences and help us get even better and better. So I'll pick one or two examples which have helped me personally, both from a coaching standpoint and also from growing myself, which have come as a result of this experience. So in one of the buddy coaching sessions which I was a part of, I picked up a challenge of how can I get in touch with my old friends, the friends from the schools and engineering colleges, which as life has happened, I have lost touch with them. And the session was extremely powerful, and something tickled inside my own heart and mind that I have to do something about it. And the smart coaching techniques which we learned during this process, they helped me to make the first step. And as a result of it, in about 2-3 weeks, I was able to begin to network again with all of my old friends and begin with that relationship all over again. So that was an excellent thing which I learned through this process. In another buddy coaching session, I picked up a challenge of how can I grow my personal finances as an area of improvement. And once again, the powerful coaching session I had with a buddy helped me to take this topic even forward. I signed up for a course on personal finance management, where in about 5-6 hours, I learned more things than I probably knew earlier. It has helped me take care of my finances in a much better manner. I also hope that when I was coaching my other colleagues, I was able to bring value to their own life experiences. It has been an outstanding journey and outstanding learning experience for me completely, both as an individual and also as a professional. So thank you once again, Grow Coach team. You have helped me a lot personally, and I wish all the members of the team a lot of success. And if you are ever interested in learning more about coaching, there's a space to come for you, and there is a master coach himself. Thank you once again.